I'm Mark with the MedHawk Minute, and today we're going to talk about one of the most important parts of your pool, which is rebar. Okay, so there are two elements of the pool that provide us the strength for the shell. The first one is the rebar. So the rebar provides tensile strength, which is the ability to pull this piece apart until it breaks. So that's tensile strength. This type of rebar is special for pools. It's called grade 40. That means it will provide 40,000 pounds per square inch of strength. So in addition to the rebar, the second piece of the pool shell that provides the strength is the concrete itself. So the concrete provides compressibility strength. Where the rebar is not very strong, the concrete offers a complement. So it's really the two of them together provide the total strength for the pool. So these guys are highly skilled. You can see he's bending over the rebar in order to tie in the main pool shell with the sun shelf, so it'll all just be one strong structure. So in the majority of this pool, we've got number 3 rebar, 8 inches on center, providing the majority of the structure. But up here in the bond beam, we've got number 4 rebar, and we've got several of them in order to provide extra strength for that bond beam like we talked about in the excavation video. Not only does the size of the rebar provide strength, but also the number of interconnections. You can see when you go from a larger grid down to a smaller grid, we get more connection points, which ties that steel closer together. So you've got more pieces of steel around each surface area of concrete. In this case, we're going to go ahead and apply extra bars in the transitions. So then these squares are really going to get broken down to about 4 by 8 by the time this is all done. So when we get to this point in construction, customers always ask us, where are the stairs? The stairs aren't built in rebar because really we want to give the gunite crew the freedom and the creativity to form those steps exactly to match the pitch of each stair. So in this case, the forms are just set into like a 45-degree angle, and then the actual stairs are formed on top of that rebar. Just had the dirt cut out and we started to get the plumbing in. It was really hard to imagine the spa, but now that you can see the rebar taking shape over the benches, the contours, you can really start to imagine what this spa is going to look like. So I'm going to let him finish up this floor transition, and we'll see you next time on the MedHawk Minute.